embrace the grind. I said, you know what embrace the grind means? I said, I want to look forward to the hardest part of the day. I don't want to think about, oh, by tonight I get home, I get to eat and I get to play my video game or I get to watch TV. No, I want to look forward to getting out of class and going straight to the football field and working, or going straight into sparring after I have been doing something that I don't necessarily want to do. The hardest part of the day is the part of the day that I look forward to the most.
I was just trying to do my best. You were just trying to do your best. People didn't like me for doing, and I was fine with that, no problem. You could be better than 80% of the people. Most people don't want to be pushed that hard. They want to be pushed to their level of comfort. And once they're outside their comfort zone, they're like, oh, I'm not used to this. Oh, I don't like this. My heart's beating too fast. Or, man, I'm feeling different feelings and emotions. And it's like, that's where the growth lives. You need coaches that push you outside of your comfort zone, because that's how you grow and that's how you begin to develop self-confidence and self-esteem in what you're doing. You try, you fail. They push you to deal with the failure. You get another chance to go out and practice it. Then you succeed and you realize, oh, that's what I need to do differently the next time. As opposed to the athletes who try something that's hard, they fail, and now it discourages them from trying the same thing that's hard again.
People ask me, how do you do it? And I'm like, well, I don't want to be normal, because I know that if I can set my mind to get through that, nothing else is difficult.
But everybody, all these players in the NFL, they want it easy Monday through Saturday. There's another level of scrutiny when you lose a Super Bowl. It's really painful to lose a Super Bowl. And I lost three of them. And those are the three hardest losses of my life. But you can't win the Super Bowl unless you're in the Super Bowl. But if you're in the Super Bowl, you have a chance to lose the Super Bowl. So it's like, do those defeats crush you? And do they feel like they're such a burden that you can't overcome them? And I think I'm proud of the fact that even though we lost some that were very important, we always found ways to come back and like look at, okay, what was our process for that? And then how can we improve it so if we put ourselves back in that situation, we can succeed.
Yeah, you can't win if you're not in the game.
And I think when you embrace that, like that area of growth for me just continues to go.
You get to that point and then you go more.
But the reality is a lot of guys don't want the pressure of doing something. And I appreciate the nuance of it and how hard it is. And like, it's not easy. I saw it every day. Like there's an appreciation that even though I was really good at it, I was good at it because I worked really hard at it. And if like I look down there on the field and I see guys that are fucking up all the time, I know they're not working hard. So it's not like that blows me away. What blows me away is the guys that I can probably relate to a little bit more, that have been obsessed about, achieving their dreams, that have shown a lot of resilience in their career. Like I'm like, I like that guy. I like that guy because that guy, he's earned it and he's put a lot on the line. There's a lot of sacrifices made. But that doesn't mean you'll be a champion. If you want to be a champion, you better be better than 99% of the people, which requires another level of work. You could have a nice long career and be successful and everyone go, oh yeah, he's a nice player, working at 80%. But the level to get to the 99% and be better than them, well, that's another level of, physical, mental, emotional growth. Where do I need to be every day? How can I be better, like I said, in whatever area? I don't know. I think if you want to be great at something, you've got to commit your life to it. Hold yourself to the highest standard, and we need more people like you in this world.
You're the man, Tom Brady. Thank you for joining us.
Steve.